So over here you can see that I have a bunch of video clips, and sometimes when you're working with video clips you might want to resize and transform them. So to do that, you can go around over here and select out a clip that you want to transform right here, and let's go around onto the cut mode itself for this. So once I go around onto the cut mode right here and select out the clip, I can go around over here and see the tools right here. So if I were to go around and click on tools, then you get various tools over here, as you can see. So this allows you to transform as well. You can go around and resize out the clip right here just like this and place it wherever you want by clicking and dragging. And you can go around over here, resize it from one section over here as well. You can pull it out and then you can click and drag it and place it wherever you want right here just like this. So you can also go around onto the bottom and use these options right here. Click and drag to resize this. You can unlock this, and then what happens is that you can go around and resize this from one part right here, and you can turn off the settings over here as well so that it reverts back to the default position when you're resizing and transforming. But if I were to turn this on, you can see that I can use the placement options over here as well. I can rotate it out, and I can even go around and change around the perspective right here, as you can see, and you can go around and reflect it. That is from left to right or from top to bottom over here just like this, and you can go around, reset it out all over here as well. So that is what you have. And if I were to go around onto the inspector, then you can see the same tools over here again. So there's the zoom option, there's the position right here just like this, and there's the angle that you can change around, there's the pitch, as you can see, the view right here, the flip, and everything else right here is over here as well. And you can even add in values over here, as you can see. So you can go around and type in, let's say 0.5, press enter, and there you go. That is how you can adjust out the zoom level right there. And that is how you can go around and then use the resize and transform option inside of Davinci Resolve. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.